Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Alma, and I'm going to teach you simple machines. There are three objectives of our lesson today. Number one, identify and describe the different kinds of simple machines. Number two, use simple machines in doing certain tasks. And number three, appreciate the uses of simple machine. Before discussing about the characteristics of simple machines, let us find out if you can easily distinguish whether a device or a tool is a simple machine or not. Write SM if it is a simple machine and write N if not. Are you ready? Good. This is a simple machine. Table is not a simple machine. An axe is a simple machine. Hammer is a simple machine. And pulley is also a simple machine. Now, simple machine is a tool used to change the size or direction of the force. There are 6 kinds of simple machines, namely lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge, and screw. What are the examples of simple machines? First is the inclined plane. Inclined plane is a ramp or slope that reduces the force needed to exert in lifting something. Examples of inclined planes are ramps, sloping roads, carpenter's plane, slanted roof, ladder, and slides. Second is the lever. Lever is a bar that turns or pivots on a fixed point called fulcrum. Wheelbarrows, fishing rods, shovels, brooms, arms, legs, boats, oars, crowbars, and bottle opener are all examples of levers. Third is a wedge. Wedge is a device shaped like an inclined plane that uses the sharp, narrow end to cut through a material. Some of the wedges are axes, needle chisels, rakes, and plows. Number 3 is pulley. Pulley is a device consisting of a rope that passes over a grooved wheel. The pulley helps you to move the load or change the direction of force. Some examples of pulley include crane, flagpoles, and window blinds. Number 4 is the wheel and axle. Wheel and axle is a device which is made of two circular or cylindrical objects fastened together that rotate about common axes. Some examples of the wheel and axle include a doorknob, screwdriver, an egg beater, water wheel, and steering wheel of a car. Number 5 kind of simple machine is the screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder to form a spiral. Screws are used to join pieces of wood together. Pieces of iron can also be joined together with screws. A jack, bulb, and hooks are examples of screw. Now, I want you to do this activity. Mater- In the first group, the materials are foot rule or cardboard, pencil, and paperweight. For the direction, 1. Tape a pencil on your tabletop. Let this be the fulcrum. Let a hard 1-foot rule rest on top of a pencil with a 6-inch mark right on the fulcrum. Number 3. Place the rectangular paperweight at the 5-inch mark. Number 4. Lift the weight by pressing your finger on points at the side of the fulcrum. And number 5. Observe where it takes less effort to lift the load at the points closer to or farther away from the fulcrum. After which, you are going to answer these two questions. Which is easier to lift the load? At the point closer to the fulcrum or away from the fulcrum? Why? And number 2, how does a lever help us do our workload? For the second activity, you need to have a paper, pencil, and scissors. Here, here is the direction. Number 1, cut a piece of paper into a triangle. Wrap Number 2, wrap the paper around a pencil. See that the inclined plane or ramp of the paper is now spiraled around the length of the pencil. You now have a paper model of a screw. And number 4, starting from end of the pencil, trace the thread of the screw with your finger. See how your finger spirals its way up to the top of the pencil. After doing the activity, answer the 3 questions that follow. Number 1, what will happen if you use a triangle with a steeper incline? Number 2, what will happen if the triangle had a less steep incline? And number 3, how will new screws compare with original screws? You are given 5 minutes to do the activity. Let's imagine that the 5 minutes is over. The second activity is to answer a word search, simple machines. In this activity, you are going to encircle the names of the simple machines found in the crossword puzzle. The pictures on the right side of the puzzle will serve as a guide. Then write the names of the simple machines according to their kinds. Wrong spelling will not be given a point. In this activity, note that each pupil has different set of crossword puzzle. This activity has 10 minutes. This is now the answer of the crossword puzzle. Now, why are simple machines important to us? What will happen to us and to our work if simple machines are not available? Let's do an assessment or a quiz to know whether you understood the lesson. Direction: answer the following questions by choosing the letter of the best answer. Are you ready? Number 1. Which of the following is not an inclined plane? A. Ramp. B. Stairs. C. Sloping roads. D. Scissors. The correct answer is letter D. Scissors. Number 2. Which of these is a lever? A. Crowbar. B. Screw. C. Knife. And D. Ladder. The correct answer is letter A. Crowbar. Number 3. What does a screw do? A. Multiplies speed and direction. B. Uses a small force over a long distance. C. Join pieces of wood together. And letter D. Increases resistance force. Correct answer is letter C. Join pieces of wood together. Number 4. What kind of simple machine is a jack, which is used to lift a car to be repaired? A. A screw. B. Lever. C. Pulley. And D. Inclined plane. Correct answer is B. Lever. Number 5. Which of these is not a wheel and axle? A. Fishing pole. B. Screwdriver. C. Doorknob. And D. Egg beater. The correct answer is letter A, fishing pole. Number 6. Which simple machine has a rope that passes over a groove wheel? A. Lever. B. Screw. C. Pulley. And D. Inclined plane. The correct answer is letter C. Pulley. 7. Which of these describes simple machines such as the knife, nails, and needles? A. They have sharp, narrow end that can cut through a material. B. They have small disc or shaft that is attached to a wheel. C. They are inclined planes wrapped around a cylinder to form a spiral. And letter D. They have elevated surfaces that are used to lift something with reduced effort. The correct answer is letter A. They have sharp, narrow end that can cut through a material. Number 8. Which of these is used to raise and lower the flag? A. Lever. B. Screw. C. Pulley. D. Inclined plane. The correct answer is letter C. Pulley. Number 9. Why are food tongs, hammers, and shovels classified as levers? A. They have sloping surfaces that reduces effort to lift something. B. They have a small disc or shaft that is attached to a wheel. C. They have parts like effort arm, resistance arm, and fulcrum. And letter D. They have ropes that pass over a groove wheel. Correct answer is letter C. They have parts like effort arm, resistance arm, and fulcrum. Number 10. Which of the following is an inclined plane that winds around a nail? A. Wedge. B. Screw. C. Lever. And D. Pulley. The correct answer is letter B. Screw. Thanks everyone and have a nice day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.